Hi, Em here for Nat M's Quilts and M's Scrap Bag, and today I'm going to show you how to do a book cover. I like to give them as gifts. It's more fun to have a decorative cover like this than like this. And these craft ones are really fun to give to your quilting friends as a good sketchbook. I've made several of these over the years. Some of them I've quilted, some are just fabric and I've appliqued on them. You know, because I'm the scrappy that I'm going to put scrap together. But if you want, you can just use 2 fat quarters. So if you find 2 contrasting or just fun fabrics that you like, you can do that also. Remember, if you like my videos, to like and subscribe. Alright, let's get started. Let me show you how you do this. So you're going to take your book, whatever size book you're going to use, and you're going to measure it with your tape measure all the way around. Alright, and then you're going to add 3/4 inch to whatever that is. I will put the measurements for the composition book in the description, so that if you want to just do the composition book, you'll have the measurements and you won't have to do the math. And then we're also going to measure from top to bottom, and once again we're going to add our 3/4 inch. So then we're going to cut out from our fat quarter for your cover, whatever your cover is going to be. You're going to cut that out. This is 10.5 by 16. And then the other fat quarter, this is going to be the inside and the lining. You're going to cut another one that's the same size. And then for your flaps, I cut the same height as your book, and then I cut them 7.5. That just gives a good flap size, and it will be finished when you sew it all together, and it fits well with your book. So we're going to lay our cover down, and then we're going to take our flaps and set them on either side. You fold them in half like this, so you'll have the finished edge, and then set them on either side. And then we're going to take our lining and place that on top, so the right sides are all facing, and then we're just going to pin that. Okay, once you get it pinned, we're going to sew. We're going to leave an opening like a couple inches, like 3, and start here and sew around till we come back here and leave this open right here. Okay, once you get it sewn all the way around, you can trim these little corners here, just so they'll go. And then through this opening, we're just going to turn everything right side out. So when you get it turned, it's going to look something like this, and you're going to want to just sew up this little bit here, just with the needle and thread. So just by catching the thread or so here and going back and forth until you've filled it all in. Then we're just going to take our book, slot the cover into the flap, and repeat it on the other side. And there you have a journal cover. Now you can also do this with instead of just fabric, you can piece a cover like this and just make it as big as you need it to be. You can also quilt your cover like this. So have fun with this. Just use your favorite fabric or scrap and quilt away. Share your ideas with me and the things that you do at Instagram at Aunt M's Scrap Bag, or you can share it on my Facebook page, Aunt M's Scrap Bag. Thanks so much. See you next time. Bye.